Hey, welcome back to the studios. Today I'm going to be showing you a new tool that's going to be bringing you $5,000 to $10,000 extra to your store every single month, and that's just by doing the same thing. That's by doing nothing. Only thing that we're just going to be following is this store builder right here. It's a store card builder, and that way you're going to be able to retain more of the traffic and more of the engagement that you've already been getting from the collectors that you collected on eBay. So this right here, it brings them back to your store. It puts everything in one spot. It reminds them about your store, that they're going to automatically save it, and then it's also going to look so professional. It's going to look so clean, and you're going to see everything broken down on here, even how we have a thank you promo that we're going to be running every other week or so, and everything is broken down inside of the elite community. Look, if you're not already a part of the elite community, click the link below, join us, so that way you could get tools like this as well, and that way you can have control over your business. All right, you don't have to do any of the social media stuff. All right, nobody's buying over there. This is where the market's already at, but this tool right here, it brings the market even more closer to you. So that way they're just not purchasing something from you one time. They purchase something from you, and then you have control of the storage. You have control of the database. You have control of the collectors. You know, this is the type of stuff that galleries do. Galleries do this. This is why galleries want to charge you so much money, because they consider it's their own personal black book. So what they do with their black book, they do what I'm showing you right now. All right, but you could get this all inside the community. So here, let's break this down. All right, so this is the studio card builder right here. This is the tool that's going to bring back your repeated buyers constantly. This is how you have control of your business. I mean, this is basically what galleries do. So when galleries try to charge you a lot of money, they're charging you a lot of money because they do something similar to this, but now you do it. So that way you don't have to give 50% of your money to galleries where they're already representing other artists. You represent yourself. This is how you're going to have them come back. You're rewarding your repeated collectors, your repeated buyers in the market to come back. So this is such a cool tool right here. Let me break this down for you. So this is the studio card builder, and it turns your one-time buyers into repeat collectors. You build a beautiful thank you card with your own QR code. You don't have to do a link tree. You don't have to do a special application. You don't have to do all kinds of different formats, and you have to figure it out. This is going to do it for you. Only thing you have to do is populate whatever your store site is, and then it's going to do the rest for you. You print it out. Now, what I would suggest on here is that you print out multiple. So that way you don't have to print out one for each individual listing. That's crazy. You just have to print out maybe like 40, maybe like 50. All right. You could just do something like that. And then that way you just put it for each individual order. All right. So let's just break this down. This one right here, I already have my name on here, Corbellic Art, but let's just delete that and say, hey, Corbellic Art. Oh, it put the A in there. And then your initials. So this one, I'm just going to put, even if I changed it to JFK, for example, right? You can see right here where it would put in the format JFK. So it's right there. And let's go back here. I'm just going to put core. So then it changed it to core, because this is what it's going to look like when it prints out. The card headline, I already have it defaulted. Let me show you what the default is. So the default is always going to say, thank you for collecting an original. But you can change this to anything that you want. I put it to, thank you for collecting an original Corbellic painting. Boom, right there. And you can see where it populate right there onto the card. Now the thank you message, you could change this up too. Something short, warm to the buyer. And you could customize this to however you want, however charming and more personable that you want to do. I just put something like, I hope this beautiful painting finds a nice place in your home. Boom, send this out. Now, this is the cool thing. Once you start getting more familiar with some of your collectors or some of your buyers, you can even personalize this to some of your buyers. That's what I do. When I have repeat buyers who come to me, and I know their situation, they come to me and they say, hey, Corbellic, I just bought a new house, and I really want to make it into a home, because paintings make a house into a home. So I'll personalize this message and I'll say, hey, this is a housewarming gift to you and your family. Or if they say that maybe their daughter just had a birthday party and maybe she turned 6 years old, they want to give it to her. Or maybe they say their sister's cousin's wedding, whatever the situation is. And then I know it's a repeat buyer. I'll put a personalized message in here, and then that way they feel like they receive something personal from you. Or a lot of times, We also have the option inside of eBay where you could do a personalized message. A lot of times people are like, what is the personalized message? This is the personalized message so you can make it seem something personal and warm for them. So whatever their personal message is, sometimes their personal message could be something like, happy birthday, big brother. This is from your sister. I hope that you're having fun in Arizona. Boom. You see that right there? Happy birthday, big brother. This is from your sister. I hope you're having fun in Arizona. Here, I'm highlighted for you so you can see it. So that could be a personalized message for you. And then you could also sign this if you want to. Just sign it one time. And then that way they received also a personalized message. You can do that. But the cool thing is, the reason why this is cool is for your repeat buyers, the people who always come to you. But if they a lot of times they give it as a gift, and if they give it as a gift, or if they also put it onto where they're resellers and it goes out into the market, which it does a lot of times, and I don't got no problem with that. That's part of the game. If it goes out into the market, then whoever collects your art, they can scan this QR code, and it's going to bring them back to not only your eBay page but to your other sites. All right, we're going to show you that. That's the cool part. So here you could keep it as this monogram right here where it has your initials like COR. Or you could change it up to like a flower, a different type of flower, a laurel, wheat, autumn, pine. You could change it up to a different design on here. Or what you can do as well, you could change it up to whatever your logo is. So you can see here, this is my logo, and I'm just going to put it to my logo so you can see what the logo looks like. And then you can see there's the logo right there, or whatever your logo is as well. That way you could just have it could be customized. It doesn't have to be whatever the monogram is in your initials. It doesn't have to be one of these different symbols. It could be anything that you specialize yourself or that you created. And you can also create something in the right type of size. So you could create it for free on Canva, and then you could just populate it in here so that way it looks nice and it can have your touch on there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go down to the links, and this is for your eBay store. So I already have my eBay store populated right here. It's just the eBay store. I already have my Etsy store as well. Now this is the cool part. It's only going to populate one QR code. So when they scan it, it's going to show up to all of your stores. So they came over, they purchased, they spent money with you on eBay, right? They already have a warm credit card that they spent money on eBay. Like, this is data that people spend money for, but you're getting this for free. So the market, they already came to your store. Now, that's called an engaged buyer. An engaged buyer, that's someone who's took their credit card out and they spent money with you, meaning that they'll spend money with you in the future, meaning that they also want to know where else that your items are at. So when they go to Etsy, then they're able to see your other items over there. Now, eBay works like just any other technology company or any social media. They really try their hardest to keep the clients there. They try to keep the buyers on their site. But for the buyer to receive this anyways from you, that means they already spent the money. So you're not breaking any policies at all by advertising for your different sites or advertising for your different stores. That's all part of the game. eBay lets you do that as long as the person has spent money with you. You can then be able to share information or share any kind of even personal information through your messages or anything like that. But they won't let you do that unless they spent money with you. So this is all part of the game where you could just send this in the box, one per order. And I don't care if they already purchased something from you before in the past. You make sure that you send this in every box, every new box that goes out. Just as a reminder, they can share it to, they could give it to their family, they could give it to their friends. It gets your name out there, but it also gets out your other store. Now, when we talk about the other store, something that I train inside the elite community is that I show you how you could do cross listing. I have a course in there, how you could do the cross listing in there, because it's important. Because that's how you're going to get more money to you. And I'm not just talking about eBay. I'm talking about in life as well. I know you hear this all the time, but it goes in one ear and out the other, where people say you got to have multiple forms of income. You do have to have multiple forms of income, because once you have multiple forms of income, that's when abundance happens. Abundance means a higher mindset. A higher mindset means higher frequency. And then it means that a half glass full, and then the money's going to start flowing to you. I swear, it's the craziest thing. Like, once you start selling a lot on Etsy, all of a sudden you sell more art on eBay. You sell more art the more that you sell art. And you're going to think that these shops or these platforms are connected together, but they don't share the same algorithm. They're not the same company. They're not even under the same umbrella. But you would think so. But the thing that's happening is that it's just that your frequency is that you have multiple forms of income. So that's why a lot of times people always like to say, "Oh, the rich get richer and the poor stay poor." The reason why is because poor people usually stay in one income or even no income, and then they stay in the same everlasting circle of being poor, being broke, and that's why usually they come from the family that comes from poverty as well, and they stay in that lower frequency of money because there's no multiple forms of income. Once you have multiple forms of income, then that's how all different channels of things happen. I mean, look at corporations and millionaires. They always have multiple forms of income. That's how they become a millionaire, is because multiple forms of income, it generates more cash flow for you. I always say, I'm always going to teach you the ways of practical mindset manifestations, not just manifestations of affirmations and wishing upon a star. All right, I'm gonna be showing you the real practical ways of how you could do this for yourself, and that's one of the practical ways right here. Is this tool right here? Just something this simple of having multiple forms of income, multiple shops. So you have your Etsy right here. And then also you can plug in if you have your own website. All right. If you have your own website, then you can plug it here as well too, like a Shopify or a WordPress or a GoDaddy or something like that, where you have your own platform. You're able to plug it that way. Like if you're spending money monthly or yearly on these platforms, then you might as well be able to, try to get as much organic traffic out of it. And you could be able to do it where at least they're not cold leads, they're hot leads from people who's already pulled out their credit cards, pulled out their wallets, and they spent money with you. Also, social media. So here I just plugged in my Instagram, but you know me, I haven't used social media when it comes to selling all of my art pieces. I sold 18,000 paintings on eBay and I haven't used any social media. But if I could go back in time, I probably would try to utilize it a little bit more so people could see that also who I am, because there's a difference when it comes to the buyers on eBay and the buyers who are on Instagram. Well, on Instagram, there are no buyers because they're all broke or there's 0% conversion rate. So they don't even buy anything on Instagram. So I ain't even worried about them. I'm not even trying to, whatever. I guess I would do this for me personally. If I was you, I would do this just so I could show people that I'm a gallery artist even before eBay, that I have a whole body of work, that I'm a serious artist. So that way, the value of what my store is, and the value of what my brand is. So I would just do it that way for me. But if you don't have a social media, then that's fine. And if you don't have an Etsy store yet, then that's fine as well too. You could just stick it to eBay and at least they'll come back. So this is the cool part, how you're going to be bringing in the money. All right. This is how you're going to be bringing in the money. We're sharing the rewards. How we're going to share the rewards is that we're going to be giving them a private coupon. And the coupon works just like how an Arby's, McDonald's, Subway, or whatever that comes in the mail for you. And they have an expiration date at the end of it. Why do they have an expiration date at the end of it? They have an expiration date so that way it could drive urgency. The urgency is so that way people can buy from you, and they can buy from you in a short amount of time. So what we're going to do, we're just going to turn the coupon on to a certain date. Now, I break all this down a little bit more inside of the elite community. So if you want to learn how you could do this for yourself, if you want to also get this tool, then click the link below. Join us inside of the elite community. It's only for the VIP members. But what I would do right here is I would go 40% off your next purchase. And then I would put a special code, whatever I created inside. And this will be like, thank you 40 for an example. And then I would put our urgency date, whatever the end date is. That way they can know when their last time, they can know that they have to get it. And I also do the urgency on there because by the time that they do receive the coupon, they only have a certain amount of time that they can utilize it. So now they're really in a rush. It's just the same way how fast food places do it. Now, they don't have no coupon that's open-ended, right? As soon as that campaign is over or whenever the date is over with at the end of the month or whatever, what do? They create a new coupon. They create a new coupon with a new code and a new expiration date. It's the same thing. So now We did everything. That's simple. That's simple, right? We did everything. I just showed you everything. There's nothing else that you have to do. You don't have to create a special account. You don't have to create a link tree. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Everything is already there. So now, only thing this we have to do is that's it. That's all we have to do. You have to just print it out. But this is what it's going to look like as soon as they scan the QR code. It's going to look like this down here, this box. This is what the buyers see. And you can see it has Corbellic art, 40% off your next purchase. Here's the code, and it's valid through this date. So they know they have to purchase it now. But also what they're going to be able to do on their phone is they're going to be able to click this link, which is going to send them directly to your eBay store so they can favorite your store and they can always know what's up to date. Also, they're going to get this link right here to your Etsy store so they can also click and favorite it so they can know what's up to date on there as well. All right, so that way they're going to be buying it from your Buy It Now store over there. This way right here, it brings in the money. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, eBay does send out newsletters. eBay sends out newsletters where they let people know once a week what's new on the store, like whoever your buyers are, whoever your watches are. But you can't always rely on their algorithm. You can't always trust them to manage your business. You also have to be in control of your own business and manage it as well. So off of that, you're able to do this, okay? You're able to get people to come over. But also you can see at the bottom here, it says follow along with whatever your social media page is or whatever your website is. They could do that as well, where it has the link down there. Now, whenever you print it out, this is what it's going to look like. It has the logo here. Thank you for collecting an original Corbellic painting. Happy birthday, big brother. This is from your sister. I hope that you're having a fun time in Arizona. I hope that you're having fun in Arizona. The QR code. And then, of course, it has our discount code that we just created down there. So then you just have it right here, full page, or you could put it for a 4x6 card. But full page is better, to be honest, because it's just easier to read on the QR when they scan it. So this is what it's going to look like when we print it out. Boom. That's what it looks like. That's the full page right there. Isn't that awesome? So that's the breakdown right there. I just wanted to show you, these are one of the tools, these are one of the tricks that you're going to be able to use in your arsenal once you join the elite community and once you learn how you can bring the money into yourself. This right here, you're just doing the same thing right here. You're just having more control of the engagement in your community, and you're able to utilize how you can have control over your business. I mean, they call it the special black book when it comes to galleries. Galleries, they have the special black book where only they could control who they contact, who the engagement is. But the thing when it comes to galleries is they're already representing other customers, or they're representing other artists, right? And then when they get to your art, they get to it. You don't have no control over it. And then if you do reach out to them and you do a business behind the gallery's back, they're going to take it as offense, all right? they're going to get offended by it, and you can even be in a situation where they could possibly sue you because you have a contract with them. But this way right here, you have control of the market, you have more of the market, and you're able to have control of it just like a gallery does. All right, so this is one of the tricks right here, how I'm able to show people how to add an additional $5,000 to $10,000 into your store with already you selling art. All right, you want to learn how you can do this, you want this tool for yourself, click the link below, join us inside the free eBay art community. Or hey, I understand, maybe you're busy or maybe you're not even tech savvy. That's fine. I will personally create your account for you. I'll get your first listing out there. I have a mentorship program where I work with you on a one-on-one to guarantee your results. You can click the second link down below, and that is the mentorship program. And I'll see you in the next video.